You want to install WinRAR in under 3 minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to install it in easiest step-by-step method with no confusion. Welcome to Nicorium Tech, where I teach simple tech tutorials for beginners. First, you have to open any browser and make sure your PC is connected to network. Then search for WinRAR download and make sure you are using official website to avoid any viruses or malware attack. In this link, we are seeing this blue button, WinRAR 7.20, and then click on it, and it starts download. After download goes to the end, you have to locate it by clicking on this Explorer icon. Right click on it, click here, Learners Administrator, and allow. Then click install. Click OK. Leave the default as it is. Then click OK. Here is already in, and I'm going to show you how to compress file and extract it using this WinRAR. Let me use an example. We are going to compress all this setup. Select them and right click on them. Then click here Alt to archive. The process will begin. Then click OK and wait them to be archived. The process has been ended. This download archive is containing these files you have selected before. Then click on it, double click. As you can see, all of those setup are here. And I'm going to show you how to extract them when you want. We are going to extract it. Right click on them and click here, extract files. You have to locate location you want to extract them to. Let me choose document folder. As you can see, there is here in document folder. That's it. Now you can easily compress and extract file on your PC. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Next, I will show you how to install all essential apps every PC needs. Don't miss it.